Okay. Well, hello and welcome. This is your maths class. Today is 5th of October. Please write date. Today is 5th of October, dear students. And this is your maths class. Today we're going to learn about symmetry. So what is the definition of symmetry? Symmetry means something, if you cut that thing, it has same on both sides. For example, I gave you first example of these pictures. Look at this figure. If you draw a straight line, if the both sides are same, this is called symmetry. Let's draw some more figures to know what is the meaning of symmetry. For example, if you have a circle, okay, and you draw a straight line, okay, if I draw a straight line, both sides of the figure are same, okay. If you cut this circle into two pieces, both sides are same. Let me draw another shape. Look here. This is a pentagon. This is a pentagon, okay. If you draw a straight line, okay, if you draw a straight line like this and you cut it into two pieces, the both sides of the figure will be same. Both sides of the figure will be same. This is called symmetry, okay. This is called symmetry. Now this is some kind of practical which is given here, and we did that by opening our video, okay. So let's go down here. Look at these pictures. Line symmetry is alphabet. Complete these letters, mark the line of symmetry. Let's draw some lines of symmetry and see if A is symmetry or no. Okay, let's check all the alphabets. Okay, let's draw a line for, please take a ruler and a pencil and please draw and check if the figure is symmetry or not symmetry. Okay, look at here. I will draw a line on A. This is symmetry. Yes. A is symmetry. Okay. If you take a pencil and draw a line for B like this, this is symmetry. Okay. Let's draw the same line for C. Okay. Yes, I forgot to tell you that you can draw a line in any way you want, where you can divide the figure into two pieces. Look at C. If you draw a line of symmetry like this will be wrong. This will be wrong. So what you will do, you will draw a line horizontally. What is the meaning of horizontally? From your left hand side to your right hand side. This is symmetry. Is D symmetry? Let's draw a line for C. D, it is symmetry. Yes, it is symmetry. Okay, let's draw a line for E. You can cut E into two pieces. It is a symmetry. Yes. How about F? If you cut F here, this side or this side, it is not a symmetry. So the things which are not symmetry, I will draw a red line on them. Okay, it means they are not symmetry. F is not a symmetry. You can take two color pencils, green and red, to draw if the thing is symmetry or not. Okay, let's go to G. Do you think figure G is symmetry? No, this is also not a symmetry. Okay, G is not symmetry. How about H? Yes, H is a symmetry. Please draw a line with the help of pencil and ruler. This is a symmetry. If you cut I from the center, it is also symmetry. J is not a symmetry. J, figure J is not a symmetry. Okay, let's talk about figure K. If you cut figure K from the center or the alphabet K from center, it is a symmetry. L is not a symmetry, because if you draw a line vertically or if you draw a line horizontally, in both cases, this is not a symmetry. Okay, so when something is not symmetry, please cross it out with your red color pencil. Is M symmetry? Yes, M is a symmetry. When you cut it horizontally. So you should know if you draw a line straight or vertically or horizontally, whether it will be a symmetry or non-symmetry. So use your brain to check whether if you cut the figure into half, will it be a symmetry or not? Look at N. N is not a symmetry, even if you draw a line horizontally or even if you draw a line vertically. Of course, O is like a circle. So you can draw, if you want to draw, you can draw a vertical line. This is horizontal line and this is a vertical line. So in both cases, O is a symmetry. Okay. Let's go to next one. P is not a symmetry because if you cut it in this way or in this way, in both ways, it is not a symmetry. I hope you understand the meaning of symmetry. Symmetry means when you cut something or if you make them into two pieces, both the cut pieces are in a same shape. They are same to each other. Okay. P is not a symmetry. Same way, Q is also not a symmetry. Q is also not a symmetry. Okay, R is also not a symmetry. R is also not a symmetry. Okay. S is, if you cut S from this side, it will have no symmetry. Sorry, S has no symmetry line. Because if you cut S from this side, both sides will be opposite. This will be right side, this will be left side. Okay, so this is also wrong. You will mark, you will draw line of X here. This is not a symmetry. T is also not a symmetry. Yes, U is a symmetry. V is also a symmetry. If you cut U from here, it is U is a symmetry. If you draw a line on a V, it is also symmetry. If you draw a line on W, it is also symmetry. Okay. Okay, let's go to X. Is X a symmetry? Yes, X is a symmetry in both ways. If you cut X vertically or either you cut it horizontally, in both cases, it is symmetry. Y is also a symmetry. Z is not a symmetry. Figure Z is not a symmetry at all. Okay.